Sicily, Italy, Friday, November 8, 2024.
Lontano, lontano, per la schicca!
Due to bad weather, heavy rains have hit parts of eastern Sicily, especially in Acireale, where heavy rains have turned roads into rivers, and caused difficulties for dozens of motorists, on Friday, November 8, 2024. The most critical situation was recorded on the A18 motorway, between Roccalumera and Acireale. In Acireale, the areas affected were Via San Piero Patti, where the flooding of the river required the intervention of divers from the Catania Unit, then in Via Cristoforo Colombo and in Capo Mulini, where the waterways are under strict surveillance. There are numerous reports of flooding along the Ionian Riviera. A motorist, stuck in traffic, warned, "Be careful on the highway after Catania towards Messina. There is ongoing flooding, the road surface is impassable, the risk of accidents is very high." Firefighters together with teams from different detachments, rushed to rescue drivers trapped in their cars. Authorities urged residents to stay put, and avoid traveling in the worst-hit areas.